Hello children, today we are going to start a new chapter, statistics. In class 9th, you have already done statistics where you came to know what is the meaning of statistics. So statistics is a branch of mathematics where we study the groups. We collect the information from the group either directly, that is the primary source, or secondary data, that is from secondary source. So we collect the data is tabulated, and then this data is analyzed, and result is found out. So you know that there are measures of central tendency. You have already done it in class 9th. So measures of central tendency, there are three measures, that is the mean, mode and median. So we continue this topic in class 10th also. Let us see now. Today we are going to see the how to find the mean. So mean means average. Now when we collect the data can be a small data like from your class. Suppose we find the age of students, and then it is tabulated. Then we can analyze and we can find the mean. So it can be ungrouped data and can be grouped data. So today we are going to see how to find the mean of ungrouped data. Already I have written one example here. This example is from your textbook only. Now this table shows the marks obtained by 30 students of class 10 in maths test out of 100 are shown in the table. Find the mean. So let us find the mean now. So we have to, this table we have to take. Now see, let me show you the table. These are the marks obtained, that is 10, 20, 36, 40. So these are the marks obtained by the student up to 95, and this row shows number of students. Now and this we call it as a frequency, that is a number, how much it is. And now 10 is repeated for one time, 10 is just for one time, 20 is one time, 36 is repeated by 3. That means 3 students have taken 36 marks. 40 is 4, that is 4 students are there who scored 40. Like that we have got 95 and 1. Now solution. In solution we have to make the table. This table is shown here, and there should be 3 columns. In the column number 1 you have to take marks obtained as it is shown in the question. So take it in, and the last row should be taken, and it should be shown total. And second column is same, it is number of student, that is the frequency. We call it as FI. FI means frequency, and here XI means each data, each distribution is called XI. So now the third column we have to make. So how to make it is FI XI, means we have to multiply this FI by XI. So 1 multiplied by 10, or 10 multiplied by 1, 10 1 are 10. Similarly 20 multiplied by 1, 20. 36 multiplied by 3, 108. Similarly you have to multiply all like that. So 92 multiplied by 3, 276. You do this calculation in the rough, and then you have to find the total. Now as these are the 30 students, so this will be sigma. This symbol is sigma. Sigma means sum. This is a Latin letter. So this is sigma. Sigma Fi means sum of all these frequencies. So sigma Fi is 30. Similarly you have to find the sum of all these. So this is sigma Fi Xi. Means you have to add all 10 plus 20 plus 108. You add, you will get 1779. And how to calculate the mean? So mean is to be calculated. This is a symbol of mean, that is bar x or x bar. So bar x, you have to put a small line segment, that is called bar. So bar x means it is mean. What is it? It is mean. So mean is equal to this total, that is sigma fi xi. You have done it, this formula you have used in class 9th. So sigma fi xi upon sigma fi, that is 1779 divided by 30. If you divide by 30, so 59.3 is the answer. This is the mean of marks. Now averagely the students might have got 10, 20, 30 or 95. Their actual distributions are different. But what is the average score of a child in a maths test? It is 59.3. Did you understand? So now here is the question from your textbook. Our example is there. This is example. Find the mean of daily wage. Daily wage means the salary, the payment of 60 workers. So this is the daily wage column, 300. This is rupees. These are rupees. So 300, 400, 500. This is the amount, right? So 16, 12, 10 and so on, total 60. So find out the mean by the same method and upload it on your group. Okay, thank you very much.